look at this question of circular measure. Again, first focus on the diagram. This length A till D, this is KA. Similarly, this is KA, but this whole length, that is A. The angle is common between the two. There is a triangle ADE and there is a sector ABC. Now let's read the question. The question says, the diagram shows a sector ABC which is part of a circle of radius A. Sector ABC, radius A. The points D and E lie on AB and AC respectively. We can see that the lengths are equal. AD is equals to AE is equals to KA, where K is lesser than 1. That means K could be half, K could be 3/4, K could be 2/5, and so on. The line DEE divides the sector into two regions which are equal in area. That means if this is region 1 and this is region 2, region 1, area of region 1 is area of region 2. We know that area of region 1 plus area of region 2, that is area of sector. We also know that area of region 1 is a triangle, and this is the difference between sector and triangle. These are some of the basic observations that I noted and I wrote it down. Listen to it again. The triangle, I have labeled it as region 1. This segment type of thing, I have labeled it as region 2. Both the areas are equal. Area 1 plus area 2 is the sector. In other words, can I say this? Area of sector is 2 times area of triangle. In this scenario, according to this approach, I don't have to subtract anything. Otherwise, I would have calculated area of sector and then subtracted area of triangle and then equated it to area of the segment and then equated it to area of triangle. So I personally find this thing as easier, the easier approach. Now it says, in the case where angle BAC is pi by 6 radians, find K correct to 4 significant figures. So first of all, if I find area of triangle, which is ADE, I can use the formula half AB sine C. A is KA, B is again KA, sine of C is sine of pi by 6. So therefore this simplifies to 1/4 K square A square. Naturally it would be in terms of K, and later on we have to find the value of K. Similarly, area of sector, the name is ABC, that is half R square theta, that is half A square, and theta is pi by 6. So this can be written as 1/12 A square into pi. Area of sector is 2 times area of triangle. So therefore area of sector is 1/12 A square pi, that is 2 times area of triangle, that is 1/4 K square A square. And what can you cancel off? This 12 and this 2 and this 4, this is 2 ones are, this is 2 twos are. So therefore you can also cancel off the A squares with the A square, that is gone. So therefore if this 2 goes up, so 2/12 is pi over 6. So K square is pi over 6. K is pi over 6 square root. But the examiner is insisting upon giving the answer correct to 4 significant figures in this particular question. So use a calculator, write the answer first correct to 5 significant figures, then write the final answer according to 3 significant figures. Let's move on to the next part. In the general case in which angle BAC is theta radians and theta lies between 0 and pi by 2, that means theta is acute, it is given that theta over sine of theta is greater than 1. How will we use it? When will we use it? Wait, patience is a virtue. Let's use it, let's keep it for later. Find the set of possible values of K. Now let's read the question again. Have they initially given us something relation, some inequality about k? Yes, they have given k is lesser than 1. So first of all, also write this thing. Remember, k has to be lesser than 1. So whatever the inequality that you will get, you also have to take this thing into consideration. You cannot forget this. Now, what should I do? The same scenario is there. This first paragraph about the relation between the two is still there. So basically, this thing, half into ka into sine of pi by 6, which can be written as half k square a square sine of theta. The expression is already there. And this one is half a square into theta. So I can use this thing. So area of sector half a square theta is 2 times half k square a square sine of theta. So now that kind of strikes some bell. Half a square can be easily cancelled off. So what am I left with? I am left with theta is 2k square sine theta. Now what is the relationship given above? That is, there is theta, there is sine theta. There is theta, there is sine theta. In other words, can I write this thing as theta over sine of theta equals to 2k square? But theta over sine of theta should be greater than 1. In other words, 2k square should be equal to theta over sine theta, but that is greater than 1, so 2k square is greater than 1. Now don't hurry, think, pause for a second and think. What kind of inequality it is? It's a quadratic inequality. And for solving a quadratic inequality, factorization is a must. And after factorization, your answer should be based upon the sketch, based upon the factorized form. So therefore, 2k square minus 1 is greater than 0. That's one way of doing this. Another way is you can say k square is greater than half. K square minus half is greater than 0. Factorize. This is k square minus 1 over root 2 square is greater than 0. That's the proper way of writing it. A square minus b square, that's a plus b, a minus b. So k plus 1 over root 2, k minus 1 over root 2 is greater than 0. Now this is the right time to draw a sketch. Now this is the right time, x-axis and this thing. And now you would label this is 1 over root 2, this is negative 1 over root 2. Greater than 0 means the region above the x-axis, that is this region, that is this region. How can you reach these heights? Extreme right, extreme left. Therefore, x is greater than 1 over root 2. Therefore, x is lesser than minus 1 over root 2. But we already have the condition k is lesser than 1. So therefore, if I join this thing, x is greater than 1 over root 2. Actually, this is not x, this is k. So let me correct myself. This is k, this is k, this is k. So k is greater than, lesser than minus 1 over root 2. K is greater than 1 over root 2. And k should be lesser than 1. So if I join these two inequalities, what do I get? I get the answer k lies between 1 over root 2 and 1. So that is the answer for this particular question.